Hey guys, it's Matt here at LaPorte Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and Magnuson Performance. And if you've been following us, you'll know that we had an amazing week. We had special guest Taylor Stewart and special guest Stuart Baylor. Continue to follow us and you'll see all the cool stuff that we did together and all the plans that we've made for 2023 with these guys. It's gonna be amazing, guys. It's gonna be absolutely amazing. And you know 2023 is our 50th year anniversary here at the dealership. So you guys gotta get down to the link below for our link tree. Follow us on all our social media and you'll know everything that we're up to and everything that we got going on. So follow us, like, comment, share, tell all your friends, keep the support going, guys. We appreciate it and it's awesome. And so anyway, we're closing in on Christmas, believe it or not, and the end of 2022 already. I know it doesn't seem possible, but we are. But I want to let you guys know that we still got e-bikes for sale. We have scooters for sale, more e-bikes. We got electric motorcycles, and we're bringing you guys all kinds more stuff next year for sale and different stuff, new products, new launches. We have stuff in the working that we're trying to figure out and get things going for you guys. So 2023 is going to be an amazing year. 2022 was, but 2023 is going to be bigger and better. So anyway, that's about all up front here I have. I want to go take you guys back to the Performance Center, get you a little update. We got our two builds that are just really close to being done. And I want to show them to you guys, talk a little bit about that. We got a few more engine swap jobs that are on the books now for 2023. So we'll keep that going into the new year. And that's going to be a lot of fun also. So let's go back there and check it out, guys, and see what Dave's been up to this week as far as the builds go. Oh, and before we do, don't forget that the raffle is almost over. And we're not only giving away a TRX, but we're giving away a day with Magnuson Performance and Ginger Billy, the comedian. So if you want a really cool truck with a Hellcat engine in it for free, and then you want to hang out with us and do some cool shit with our Jeeps and laugh your ass off with Ginger Billy, then you got to enter that raffle. And you don't have much time left because once it's over, it's over. And I'm going to pick a winner and we're going to get them up here to LaPorte and we're going to do our thing for the day. So make sure you get to the raffle. The link is below in the description and get your tickets. They're only $20 a piece. So get them while you can because pretty soon it's going to be a distant memory and somebody's going to be up here having a ton of fun and driving around in a Hellcat TRX truck. So, and let's go see the Performance Center. Let's get an update on these two Jeep builds that we got going on, guys. And then that'll pretty much wrap it up. I just want to let you guys know that the week's been amazing. We continue to bring new faces in here, new celebrities, new avenues of business that we do. And I have so much that I want to tell you guys, but a lot of it's kind of top secret yet. But if you guys continue to follow us, we got some groundbreaking stuff for 2023. So let's go check out and see what Dave's up to in that Performance Center. All right, guys, you know where we're at. Only the coolest place in the entire world. Magnuson Performance Shop. So what do we got going on now, guys? You know, we're finishing up the shop build with that secret engine that we revealed already, the 606 naturally aspirated HEMI, which is way cool. And we got the Gecko Gladiator with the Demon. So let's see how they're coming. They're almost done, guys, and then we can get on to something else and get some more projects in the building. Our black Gladiator Mojave with the 606 engine is looking good. The suspension's all done. The body's all done. The engine is running, although I don't know if I should start up for right now because Dave's not here right now. Looks like he's getting the running boards put on. This thing's a monster. This is truly one of our best builds that we've ever done. First time with the engine, like I said, we're using new axles, new lift kit, bigger tires and wheels. I mean, these things are 42-inch Nittos. I mean, that's crazy, right? Different axles. We got the new suspension system that we've never used before. This thing's an absolute beast. And now you guys have a good idea of how it's gonna stand. And that's how big it is. Like that's no joke. I think maybe my waist comes up to the top of the tire and I'm 6 foot. So this thing's awesome, guys. It's gonna be a lot of fun. We didn't do anything really to the interior because it's a Mojave and really what more do you need to do? Got a custom rear bumper on it with the orange accents for the Mojave edition. And really it only looks to me like the only thing that we have left to do is we have a brand new bumper, never been ever seen ever in the market. It's gonna be a frame chop type of bumper. It's from our guys on from Off-Road Concepts, and we should have that very soon. and we'll do an install video on that, get that thing on here, and then I believe this thing is ready to roll. And then we'll definitely be shooting some content with that. It's gonna be a lot of fun to drive that. We got our Razor over here, just doing a little, putting in some Tyree lighting on that. Our friends up in Wisconsin, Tyree Lights, they're awesome. Very, very bright, very high quality lighting systems they build. And then it looks like we got an old school Jeep here. That's a TJ. Looks like either a 97 or newer TJ. I don't know what that's in for, but stay tuned for that. Looks like we got the Gladiator in here, doing a little work to it. This one's got a supercharger, so I'm not sure what, I think Dave's tuning this one up, making it run a little bit faster and better. But check this out, dude. The Gecko Gladiator with the Demon engine is finally put back together. It's almost ready to go, and it will soon be shipped off to our customer. This is a very, very, very custom build. Our customer, you know, he laid out exactly what he wanted. We started with the Demon engine, 840 horsepower Demon engine. We love that. Custom front bumper. All this has been picked out by the client. King shocks. Again, an EVO Lift Kit that we've never used before, which is absolutely amazing. Another cool thing about this is the bed shop. So we did the bed shop in-house. We actually ordered the bed itself and sent it out, got it painted and whatnot. But we did the frame shop here in-house. No problem, you know. But this is pretty cool. It's a different look for sure. We still need to do a little work at the exhaust and stuff like that, but I like it. It turned out really, really good. Gives it a different look. Definitely gives it a little bit more off-road capability with the angles and whatnot. So this right now is sitting on 35s. But those 35s are quickly going to be these wheels and tires over here. I'll show you guys, which I think I've shown you before, but they're amazing. Like, these things are huge. These are 26-inch wheels, and I believe they're 40, what size are these things? 44s. Yep, 44-inch tires, and custom engraved. We got his Instagram name right there. Like I said, we can do anything you guys want custom. We're gonna put these things on here pretty soon. We'll get that thing fired up. That's what we got going on in the Performance Center, guys. We're gonna get this shop build out of here, and it just looks like it needs a front bumper. Chop it, put the Tyree lighting on it, and it's out of here. I'm not sure what Godzilla needs over here, but it doesn't need a whole lot. And we'll get that one out of here. These two are just small builds that won't take long, and we'll get some more stuff in here. Like I said, we got several engine jobs that are scheduled for next year, so we'll get those in here, and who knows what else we'll get. So, but anyway, guys, thanks for joining me. Make sure you get your raffle tickets. Make sure you hit that link tree below, and tell all your friends to like us, follow us, do all that stuff on our social media. We got big plans, guys, in 2023. I mean, look at everything we did in 2022. Just wait for 2023. We got stuff going on next door at the new dealership. Stay tuned for that. Those are, again, things that I can't really say yet. I hate to be so secretive, but we do have a lot of things in the works that they'll come eventually with time. But that's why we want you guys to all follow us. And yeah, so that's it, guys. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.